Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Not sure whether this is garnet red metallic, but that's what I'm going to call it. It's very shiny and it looks beautiful. So Volvo XC60. Now this is a 2.4 D5, not a 2 litre, proper engine. It's an SE Lux with satellite navigation. It's auto, it's Euro 6, so it's ULEZ compliant. 61,000 miles, 9 services, serviced at 2, 4, 8, 12, 19, 38, 48 and 58,000 miles. Now done 61,000 miles, so last service 3,000 miles ago. Lovely, lovely, lovely. You can already see it's got proper tyres on, beautiful bodywork. D5 all-wheel drive, £14,595. Rear park sensors, unmarked alloys, Pirelli Scorpions, 2 Pirelli Scorpions on this side. Daytime LED running lights, headlamp washers. Inside, off black leather. Now it has satellite navigation. It has an electric memory driver's seat. It has a winter or comfort pack, so it has heated seats. Lovely off black leather. Multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. There's your sat nav. Down there, your heated seats. So DAB radio, Bluetooth, automatic, 4-wheel drive. 2.4 D5. Diesel. Love the D5 engine, plenty of power, plenty of grunt, pretty damn good on fuel. This will have a power tailgate because it's a Lux. So if we press that button, there you go, electric tailgate. Luggage guard, lots and lots of room, decent sized boots on an XC60. Press that button and there she goes. Can't see any dents at all, not even shopping trolley marks. Super clean, super shiny, 4 Pirelli Scorpions, the best but the most expensive tyres. Proper service history, somebody's been looking after this. 60,000 miles, 9 services, not stone chipped. Comes with 2 keys, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, electric windows, automatic headlamps, memories for the driver's electric seat. No wear to the leather on the seat, lovely condition. Really nice leather multifunction steering wheel. Remember 60,000 miles. Sat nav on the screen, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seats. Lovely, lovely thing. £14,595. MOT till February 2026. Doesn't need a service, doesn't need an MOT. Lots of tread on the tyres, ready to go. £14,595. Pretty car. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. We've probably got more than one XC60. This video, it will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we have produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our Barclay Motor Company 5243 YouTube channel, then you would get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.